ladies, I am back with the tutorial for this hair right here. This hair is bomb, you guys. Okay, I'm so happy with how this hair came out. I've never done the Hollywood kind of curls and I really love it. So I curled this hair and this is my Eurasian 613 hair that I dyed. And if you haven't checked out the video on how I dyed this unit, then I will put that in the description bar, so check that out below. But this is my hair from her hair company, and I decided to style it today, so I just wanted to get on here and show you. I wanted to go for kind of like Hollywood curls slash Cardi B. I noticed that Cardi B always has like this kind of old Hollywood kind of glam vibe when it comes to her hair, if she's not wearing long super long inches. But I really love how this came out. I love how it came out, especially with this hair color. It just looks amazing, you guys. Like, what? So I'm not even gonna say much, you know. I'm just gonna, you know, we're just gonna hop straight into that tutorial. Let's get started. Okay, so ladies, this wig is already washed. I already washed it and I didn't have time to wait. I just was impatient, so I just went ahead and blow dried it. And I actually already applied this unit as well. I used the Got to Be Ultra Hold Glue and I just tied it up with a scarf, 15 minutes, and bam. So I think that the application came out pretty cool. I still have those blonde little pieces that I missed, you guys. So I still have to go in there and redo that, but I'm probably just gonna fill it in, color it in with some shadow or something, just in the meantime until I can get to the store and get some more dye. But for the most part, I really like how this application came out. So I haven't decided what I wanted to do just yet. I kind of want to go ahead and curl this hair because you guys have already seen this hair straight. So I kind of want to go ahead and curl it, do something a little bit different. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and section off this piece of hair. I kind of already like where my part is, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep it there, and I'm gonna just pin up this one side and we'll start working on this side first. This actually is, so I'll leave it in the description bar for you guys. And I'm just gonna go ahead and curl it. So I'm not gonna use a lot of product in my hair. I am gonna use some towards the end, but for the most part, this is just freshly washed hair. And go ahead and catch the curl. And then I'm gonna take a bobby pin and I'm gonna go ahead and pin curl it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to my whole head. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up a little bit. I've had these in for maybe about like an hour. I love it curled. This is my first time curling it. And this hair, you guys, is still so amazing. It's so soft. Like after I washed it, oh my gosh, it's so soft. It smells so good right now too. Even ooh, baby. Ooh, y'all. Okay, that could be really cute if I did it that way. That could be really cute. Right. Oh yes, honey. Yes, give me life. Give me life. Given, your wish is granted. My command. I am. Ooh, okay. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're doing some things. Okay. you guys, this, let me get these baby hairs together, okay? Because this is gonna be cute, okay? You know what, first, I'm not gonna do the baby hairs just yet. First, I'm gonna top of the neck, and yeah. First, let me get this. I don't wanna mess it up though, okay? Because I wanna get these little hairs just to work. So I'm going to just kind of spritz that, because I just want it to stay like that. Oh, and I just spritz the Pump It Up extra hold spritz spray, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of heat to that, so it'll just stay up. Oh, I want it to. So even if it does fall, it's still going to it's still not gonna fall on my face. It'll still like. Okay, so we have this sitting, and that's what we have so far. So what I'm gonna do is do my baby hair, and I'm using Even's edge control, and I'm just going to place a little bit on my edges. What I'm using next is the Proclaim Beeswax, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my front for all these flyaways. And I'm just using a little bit because this stuff, flatten it out. Cardi B. Popping. But I really love this this hairstyle, especially on this hair color. I really think that it just adds that much more life to the unit, and it just really just makes it stand out that much more. Not that it needs any help standing out, but it just makes it that much more popping. I love it. Well, like, this hair is just a dream to work with. I love it. I don't have much products on it, only the 3 products that you saw in the video, and this hair is just amazing. Like I said, no complaints so far. Still have a little bit of shedding, but that is about it. But other than that, like, this hair, you guys, what? Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below, let me know what you guys think of this hair. Let me know also what you guys want to see next. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below and I will get back to you. Make sure you guys check out that description bar, check out her hair company, because this hair is life. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.